Alright guys, I just got out the shower. What's it called? I finished the speakers. We're wiring them. I'm gonna head over to Orlando's house and fucking set them up. And I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, we ended up coming to the car wash. Oh, fucking set up these, and the other two. I'm gonna put two on each side and see how loud that sounds. What up, Kel? You're for the vlog. Buenos saludos. Buenos saludos. You always tell me to vlog, and now I'm vlogging. Why you always gotta look around? Just say like, what up? Like, buenos saludos. What you think about the truck? What you think about the truck? Nigga, like, you need to be louder though. Like,
it's clean.
Damn. We got over here fucking otro pedo. Sí, güey, así está mi verga también.
Ay, no más.
Esto es. Cada vez que vengo vienen con esta mamá de Orbeez. I'll make you dance too. Watching this piece of shit. Looks pretty nice. Not gonna cap. I already installed 2 of the speakers. I just need 2 more. I'll show you right now. But let me take a quick video for the Insta.
Ganas de ver el amanecer, de empinarme la botella y acordarnos del ayer. Linda madre, sé que ya no te.
Alright guys, I'm finished. Setting them up. What's it called? I just need a box, to be honest. That's about it. Man, get away from my truck. They're hitting my truck. Alright guys, we got the OBS up. Well, Orlando did. Both of them. I just came in a fucking put battery and shit. But they got it up. That's how it just goes right now? Huh? That's how it holds? No. We're gonna strap it on. We still need to strap it down though. But we're ready for tomorrow. This trip. Right now I'm gonna go get, probably gonna go to Oscar's. What up, bitch? But yeah, we're gonna strap it up and then show you guys. Alright guys, we're right here at the gas station in Greenway. We're about to go to Womex. Where we're going?
Shit, you're recording?
Wilcox. And then we're going to fucking, you ain't got no cock.
Hey, we have more.
And then we're going to Mexico after.
You want the gas, the leftovers? Do we have like fucking, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
Ah, put it back there.
No, you're gonna have to go ask.
You're
gonna have to go ask.
We'll see. We'll see.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, we're gonna put gas on mine. Alright guys, we're currently right here. I'm drinking a Red Bull. I haven't slept all night. How long do you guys think we're gonna take to get there?
Hey, Sally, this is full.
No, fill it up.
I think it's full.
No, this is how you do it. Look.
Dude, let's have a gas pump fucking.
It's like my old one, nigga. Look, hold it. Hold it.
Yeah, my hand's cold.
Fuck yeah. What the fuck?
What got a baseball bat.
Where did we get that from?
I don't know.
I don't know where you get it from, bitch.
Nigga, it's full.
Hey,
Hey nigga, why don't you just put E85? You save gas, but you burn it faster. And you save money.
There's no E85 done.
Yeah, there is.
Right here,
No, not right here, but in Scottsdale.
How am I gonna find?
you know how to stop that time?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop at 12.
12. There's not $12 in there.
That's what challenge makes with you.
Almost there.
Fucking Avery.
6.
No, there should be only $8. Oh, 9. My bad. My math was wrong.
There's a jumping in the hill. Oh! Alright, we're there now. Might as well put the good.
You're gonna burn this place down,
Nigga,
nigga.
watch out, Joe. You're about to get burned.
Later. We're almost there. We can't waste money.
Nigga, we're wasting it, bitch.
No, we're not. Cause we're still putting it in the truck.
Watch your shit fuck up for too much gas.
Look, nigga.
That's what happened to yours, bitch.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, nigga, what the fuck, bitch? What the fuck, bitch?
Hola, chavos. Ya se levantó, chava.
We ended up fucking trading. I fucking slept the whole thing.
We were vlogging from the GoPro.
Look, this is what we got. I'm fucking, I'm tired as fuck. That's what you gotta hear. That's how you gotta know. Fucking tired of window. God damn, I'm fucking tired as fuck. This, but the bumper's right there. There goes the Clay Novias we built in like 2 months. In a month, like in a week, basically. Abraham drove my truck all the way over here. We'll show you guys right now when we're putting it up. Goddamn. The only person I trusted was my truck.
Me vale verga. Digo, no.
Oh yeah, guys, we got a baseball fucking right here. I don't know how the fuck we got that shit in here, but we got this. Bueno, chavos, ya nos vamos pa acá, pa Phoenix otra vez. Mira, acá tenemos todas las cosas que compramos.
Vamos para Tepico el hoyo.
Hoy, que le van a picar el hoyo. Y no, pues, pinche Orlando está bien famoso aquí, ¿no miraron? Mira, acá está pinche Orlando. Ay, a verga, los mismos lentes que ese pinche chango. Mira, modelo. ¿No serás tú, güey? Guys, we fucking made it back.
Put it inside so you guys won't be going.
We fucking got like fucking 20 kilos.
Fucking, shut the fuck up. Stop saying fucking.
I was shaking because I was cool, not because I was scared. No, I'm just playing. Nah, look, we managed to bring all this beer in here. We brought hella fucking beer. 3 bottles and shit. We got the fucking Ram. Ready to go back to Phoenix. I'm about to do a fucking a video for Instagram right now. Chavos. Ya íbamos a la verga. Me iba a dormir a la verga y me levantaron. Pinches vatos. No sé qué pasó. Si acaso. ¿Andas marihuana? Ah, mira, todavía tiene el tank para regresarlo para la otra vez. Váyanos. What happened? Hey. Hey, you want to try my hat? No, hey. Give me my glasses, bitch. Mira, aquí andamos. Hey, look at yours. I'm cool. Vinieron a miar. Chavo, let's go. Hey, chavo. Este, güey, no puedo. No mames, güey, me ando cagando.
Hey, give it to me, bitch. What do you want?
Otro pedo, we fucking stabbed this bitch the same night, the same day. You guys want to see a booty pic from it? Vamos a ver. Sheesh.
Hola.
Hola.
What's that? Here. Watch this shit.
Mira, a la verga, that's a good ass view. Bueno, chavos, no pasó nada a la verga, nada más fueron a miar los putos, me asustaron. Dije, no, ya me van a...
Why is everybody wearing my glasses?
Ya me van a tener allá, pinche, cambiando las llantas. No, esto me lo regaló este güey porque...
No, wait, no, that's not.
Los otros que pusimos en los changos, eso se los va a quedar él.
Those aren't for me.
Pues ya, me los va a regalar.
bio. There's a GoFundMe for this nigga.
Fuck you, bitch. And we went a fucking. That shit was terrible. Fucking bouncy as fuck. On all the vlogs. Until we get a step notch. So everybody go to the fundraiser and fucking support me with $1 at least. With the $1, 750 people, we could get a step notch. ASAP.
7 people.
700.
$700 every 700 people.
Like 750. Ahí pues le damos tip a los restos pues para los tubs y el dog handler. Pero yeah guys, I'll let you guys know when we get there. I'm pretty sure we're gonna go eat right now, In-N-Out in Tucson. And then fucking go over there. Oh look, the train. Ay ya verga. But yeah guys.
They tell them about the pollos.
Oh look, yeah, we have pollos right here. We went Safeway and we bought pollos. I already ate them though. Later. Guys, we're back.
Come through this side.
Hey, watch your phone, pussy.
¿Quieres caer o qué?
What?
No me avisa.
Nah.
¿Es un vlog?
Yeah, I want. Go chow the new truck.
Shit.
You want some?
¿O de México?
Yeah.
¿No le fuiste a Guaprieto o qué?
Alright, yeah.
Ya pues.
I'm just chilling. Is it right there? About to wash it. That's good? Hurry up! What you think?
They're recording?
Yeah,
Hola.
they made it home.
I forgot my fucking food for my car. It's real good and shit.
We all made it home.
Some light.
Say what? Say fuck you, Josiah. Fuck you. Say fuck you. Hey, no andan fumando marihuana frente del niño. Porque luego va a ser como ustedes, bien pendejos. Jeez. What? Yeah. Hey, se mira así chingona con el jabón. Good thing we have hella shit for it though. No, this one is the younger one. Older, I mean, yeah, older. Yeah, it's older, this one? This one is older than the other one? Mine? Yeah, guys, ahorita le vamos a enjuagar. No, pues vamos a poner este güey. A la verga. Mira, how's it on YouTube?
You want some or what?
No. Yo no soy marihuano. ¿Qué? Pues dale al toneladas. No estoy grabando, ya no. I think he tried it already.
But I try it when the tires are wet.
Mal ejemplo, no hagan drogas a la verga. Come to swing it, like just a little bit, but not to go that way. Just spin it. Right here, right here, right here. Over there? Yeah.
It's a one-way fill. It's a one-way fill. If it goes the other way, possibly.
Yeah.